We're going to start our lessons with the vowel sounds. Now, the vowel sounds can be a little tricky, but they are the most important ones to master. Let us start with how to pronounce the letters A, E, I, O, and U when we're reading Jamaican Patois. The problem with the 5 vowels in English is that they have a variety of sounds. So when you see the letter A, you can't assume that it's pronounced A, because it could also be the long sound, the A sound. So the word apple has the letter A, but it makes the A sound, while the word hate also has the letter A, but it has the A sound, the long A. We don't have that problem in Jamaican Patois. In Jamaican Patois with the Cassidy system, the letter A always says A. Other words that carry the A sound are apple, an, answer, until, yaso, rang, river, fala, smaddy, matarafak. All these words with the A sound, once we hear that sound, it's represented by the letter A. So if you're writing a word and it says A, just write the letter A. If you're reading a word and you see the letter A, say A. The next vowel sound belongs to the letter E. The letter E in Patois carries the sound E, like egg. Other words are any, se, we, when, enemy, even. These words carry the E sound, and the S sound is represented by the letter E. The third vowel is the letter I. The letter I carries the sound I, like ink. Other words which carry the I sound are any, picnic, sitting, smaddy, fimi, inna. These words say I, and I is represented by the letter I. The next vowel sound is the letter O, which in Patois says O. This is a little different from English because usually O says A for the short O sound and says O for the long O sound. However, in Patois, O says O, like up, ugly, but, cut, just, love, come, husband. So remember, the letter O says O, like up. Last vowel today is going to be the letter U. What sound does the letter U make? It says O, like book, or ko. To. Do. Ono. Good. The letter U in Patwa always says O. If you want to write a word and the word says O, write the letter U for the O sound. If you see a word in writing and it has the letter U, just pronounce it O. I hope this was useful. In the next lesson, we'll look at doubling up these vowels and what sound that will produce. See you next time.